Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm going to try to fix this ABS baby lock. It is similar to the 6240. What the fuck? 7240. Sorry, man. God damn it. It's supposed to be a baby edition. If you get it like a child, you can print a name on it and put it somewhere on a bridge. That's the key. Then an ABS key. It got 4 pins. It is not guardable. It does look like it, but it's not. It's very smooth. Keyway is somewhat restricted. So yeah, let's give it a pick. Let's try it. Oh, let's compare it really quickly with an ABS 7240. Alright, so it's about 30, so out of focus, out of frame. So that's a baby lock, and that's a regular 7240. It's somewhat smaller. Alright, so let's try it. Let's try to open it. Got it in a vise. We got a pick here, and we got a tensioner here, and so nothing on 1, 2, 3. I'm at 4. I got a little set here. Okay, I overset pin 1. I dropped it. Back up 2 and 3 is, I don't know. Already overset 1 again. It's gonna be annoying. Got a little fault set, I believe, from pin 3. Nothing. Still too big. Very interesting. What's going on with this cap over here? It's very strange. Always setting pin 1 accidentally. So let's try something else. Something different pick. Try not to move pin 1. I'm getting forward set from pin 1. I believe we open. This took longer than I expected. See the key. So this one was the last one. Of course it's the last one, but I want to try it again. If I'm not can get it in a couple moments, I will show you the rest. Well, that was quicker. So let's see. You cannot got it. As you can see. I don't know what's going on with this little plate here. Seems to move a little. But I don't think I can get it out. So I want to do a speed pick attempt really quick. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I think I got it now. So I have to use the key, of course, otherwise it would be invalid. Oh, look how far I can turn it. It's over the point. That's strange. All right, so we use the key. I'll drop my pick, but let's do 1 or 2 attempts. All right. And in. Ah, damn it. I thought I had it. Alright, this was not a good attempt. Alright. No, I cannot open this thingy. Ah. And in. I think I need more training on this lock. Sorry, guys. And girls, of course. Okay, I'm gonna do one last try. Still strange that I can turn this much. Okay. Okay, so it wasn't perfect, but it was a try. And if someone is faster than that, that's fine. I wanna explore something really quick, and then what happened? Why can I? I mean, if I let the shackle pop, I can only turn this way, this far. But if I keep the checker closed, I can turn like way past it. Is that some trick to get the core out? It doesn't look like that. Can I turn it the other way too? No. Well, if anybody know why I can do that, let me know in the comments. That was a EOS baby log. A little longer first pick for me, and then a little speed pick at the end. Little confusion also. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.